Okay, part 2 of our Instagram content is going to be the content itself. So we already covered what you're going to look like in part 1. We're going to already have a logo, and we're already going to have an idea of what we want your business to look like on this particular social media platform. Now, the second part of this is going to be the content that you are going to give to your audience so that they can trust you. And this is where people fall short. People will automatically assume that a beautiful photo of the food is going to sell it. But a beautiful photo of the food is just a snapshot. Beautiful people enjoying your delicious food is going to be the catch. It's not enough just to show people eating your food. That's not going to do it. What's going to do it for you is many people enjoying themselves at your restaurant. It can be the waiters, the waitresses. It could be the same thing in your salon. Your hairdressers, your staff is part of your team. They have to be part of your social media. Now they may come and go, and that's life, but that content will always remain. So in a hair salon, you may want to go through the process of the consultation. And of course, I am a #1 expert on hair salons, but that's not the point. The point is that hair has nothing to do with the hair salon. It's going to be the process of us selling your hair salon to people that can appreciate the fact that you are going to do a good job on their hair, and they're going to look good leaving your salon. And when they go to their wedding, or they're going to go to their dinner party or dinner or on a date, they're going to look amazing. Same thing when we're working with food. We want people to come and enjoy the atmosphere of your restaurant. So again, just doing the content of people eating your food is not good enough. We need to get those people into your restaurant knowing that they're going to enjoy the food, they're going to have a good time on a family excursion, on a very high-class dining experience, or they're going to come to your beachside shack and have the best burger they've ever had with a beautiful view of the ocean. So that is the differentiation we need to make in your social media platform. So Instagram is going to give you the portal to the world. What you give the world will depend on you and the content that you will create. So what we're going to do is we're going to explore this, because when you make your content for Instagram, it's also going to be similar to TikTok, because the platform is very similar, but your audience is different. Their time limitation is different. You're going to grab their attention in different ways. So I look at Instagram as your professional portal, which used to be the website. People still have websites because you have to have it. You have to link website and link your social media platforms together. They're going to work in conjunction with one another. They're going to work in a way where the sum of all those small parts are going to come together. Your TripAdvisor rating, your website, and other platforms such as, it could be Expedia, it could be whatever, it could be Yelp, it could be many, many different locations in different parts of the world, where in Indonesia it would be Klook, it could be many other platforms. If it's a hotel chain, it would be, let's say, Expedia, Traveloka, hotels.com. It could be all these different things that are going to cater to your experience. So in this case, we're going to focus on, let's say, the salon and the food. So your salon and your restaurant is going to have to sell itself, but you're going to have to sell the restaurant and the food and your services to the worldwide audience. And myself, I'm being in Bali, is a very, very good example of new businesses opening up, new ideas, fresh content, and people coming in and grabbing their attention with the content that we need to create to grab that business off that flight that just flew into the city. And it's going to be the same thing in your city. You could be in New York, you could be in Toronto, you could be in Sydney, you could be in Melbourne, wherever it is that you are, or in Jakarta. People come in, your restaurant needs to stand out, and your salon needs to stand out, your services. You could have a cleaning service, it doesn't matter, but when you come in with the content that you're going to provide, it has to be according to what you want to look and feel like in your business. So content is key. Content is king. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that you have the best content that you could possibly make on the budget that you want to make. So it could be someone like me talking about your business. It could be very boring, but the point of the matter is that you need to get your content out there if you want your business to succeed today. There's no other way about it. Social media rules, good or bad, mental health being here or there, doesn't matter. Not all social media is bad, and the content that you need to create for your business is something that's going to be viable and good for your business. So this is where we need to make these differentiations. And what I'd like to focus on is we already have a logo, we have a look and feel for the business. Now what content we're going to deliver. And the content needs to be good. Now, if you open up your business, you may want, on your opening day, to hire a team, which is what we do. Hire a team, come in and do all your shooting, and get at least a month's worth of content ready to go. So when you open up that restaurant, you've got the full potential of your restaurant or salon. And that content is yours forever. And this is what people forget. When you make content, it is yours. After that, you can use it on many different platforms. And this is what people don't understand. They don't look at content as an investment. They look at content as a cost. Where in fact, when we do the food today and we do the experience that the people are receiving in your salon or in your restaurant, that's going to stay with you for years or months to come unless you change the look and feel of your business. So it's an investment where you can repurpose all that social media later on the different platforms that you're going to have and hopefully have to create for your business to succeed. So this is where we try and help people for Instagram. So Instagram is going to be content, people coming in, having fun, eating, drinking, and enjoying themselves in your salon, getting before and after shots, and the process that you're going to go through to get that customer the best experience that you can possibly get. And that's where Instagram is going to be your tool to get that out to the world. Of course, there's other parts to this, your hashtags and things, which we'll get into the next